Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare Andhra style Chepala Pulusu in a very easy and simple way. Take one large sized onions and grind it into a fine paste and set it aside. Similarly, take one large sized tomato, grind it into a puree and set it aside. Dry roast 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 1/4 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Dry roast them until it crackles and turns slightly golden brown. Once it is done, just grind it into a fine powder. In a pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of jeera seeds, 1/4 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, few curry leaves. Toss them. One tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry them until the raw smell goes off. Once it is fried well, add 1 medium-sized sliced onions and fry them until it is golden brown. Add some oil if needed. Once it is cooked well, add the tomato puree first and let it cook well, and cook it until the oil oozes out from it. It gives a good taste when you cook these tomatoes first. Now you can add the onion paste and let it come to a boil. Now let's add masala, salt to taste, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, you can adjust it as per your taste, 1.5 tablespoon of dhania powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, half tablespoon of grinded fresh masala. We have dry roasted the masala and grinded it, so I am using that instead of masala powder, fish masala. Add the tamarind extract. I am adding a thick tamarind extract. Now add water if needed. Now just cover it with a lid and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the raw smell goes off and oil started to ooze out from the gravy. Once it is done, now you can add the fish pieces. Gently stir it so that the gravy gets coated on these fish pieces. Again cover it with a lid and cook it just for 5 minutes. Our Andhra style fish gravy is ready. Try this wonderful recipe for this weekend. Your kids and family members enjoy eating this. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned to Healthy Samayal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button.